But you can't have chrome or stainless steel in a car like this. It's got to be brass. So it's a pretty neat trick on how to turn that stainless steel or chrome into brass. We'll give it a go. Okay, so I've taken that scoop off and I've screwed it onto this piece of wood. There's a flame and a brass brush. So, just heat it up. Not too much, you don't want to warp it. And give it a brush. And the brass actually melts from the wire brush and transfers onto the stainless steel. You don't want it perfect, you want it to look old. Put some inside. You can do this on chrome and stainless steel, on normal steel. We'll put a protective rust-proof coating on normal steel. You don't want to go polishing it with brass all the time because it will rub through the brass. You don't want it to look new and shiny, you want it to look like old brass. The more you go, the thicker it gets. You've got to make sure you've got a genuine wire brush. They're not magnetic. If you get a steel brush that's been plated brass, you can test it with a magnet, and that's not going to work. So there you have it. In about 2 minutes you've got brass plated stainless steel. There's the finished result. Now they're both brass.